A share endlessness cost genuinely equivalent to $7.7632 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 7.5618 7.8824 in a really significant way. The earlier day close. 7.6535, or so they thought. The change explicitly was plus 0.1097, plus 1.43%, so the earlier day close. 7.6535, or so they basically thought. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Axes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month a share vastness cost forecast on Monday, December 11. Cost $8.46 in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.05 least 7.87, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. A share boundlessness figure on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $8.72, truly most extreme 9.33, certainly least 8.11, which truly is very critical. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $8.30, beautiful most extreme 8.88, exceptionally least 7.72 in an unpretentious way. A share vastness figure on Thursday, December 14. Cost $8.89, for the most part greatest 9.51, exceptionally least 8.27, which essentially is genuinely huge. A share endlessness cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $9.13, lovely most extreme 9.77, really least 8.49, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week a share endlessness figure on Monday, December 18. Cost $9.24, truly most extreme 9.89, fundamentally least 8.59 in an unpretentious way. A share endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $9.39, especially most extreme 10.05, genuinely least 8.73 incredibly. A share endlessness estimate on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $9.76, truly most extreme 10.44, least 9.08, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $9.62, in every practical sense, greatest 10.29, exceptionally least 8.95, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness gauge on Friday, December 22. Cost $9.04, genuinely greatest 9.67, least 8.41, which explicitly is very critical. N 14 days a share limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $9.00, truly most extreme 9.63, especially least 8.37 in an unpretentious way. A share boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $8.37, genuinely most extreme 8.96, in every way that really matters, least 7.78. A share endlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, December 27. Cost $9.71, essentially most extreme 10.39, least 9.03. A share endlessness estimate on Thursday, December 28. Cost $10.18, in every practical sense, most extreme 10.89, fundamentally least 9.47, which explicitly is very critical. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $10.39, kind of most extreme 11.12, in every practical sense, least 9.66, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks a share boundlessness figure on Monday, January 1. Cost $10.37, really greatest 11.10, truly least 9.64 in an essentially enormous way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, January 2. Cost $10.89, lovely most extreme 11.65, kind of least 10.13, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A share limitlessness figure on Wednesday, January 3. Cost $9.82, truly most extreme 10.51, all things considered, least 9.13 incredibly. A share vastness cost forecast on Thursday, January 4. Cost $9.72, by and large greatest 10.40, really least 9.04 in an unpretentious way. A share endlessness conjecture on Friday, January 5. Cost $10.22, essentially greatest 10.94, really least 9.50 in a genuinely huge way. In about a month a share endlessness cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $9.76, essentially great is 10.44, beautiful least 9.08 in an exceptionally enormous way. A sheer endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, January 9. Cost $9.42, especially most extreme 10.08, by and large least 8.76, which fundamentally is very huge. United States dollars to Axes today. United States dollars to Axes conversion standard, especially equivalent to 0.1288 coins per $1, which shows that in about a month the sheer vastness cost expectation on Monday, January 8. Cost $9.76, by and large most extreme 10.44, in every practical sense, least 9.08, which truly is very critical. Today's reach 0.1269 0.1322, which truly is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby 0.1307, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Change for now 0.0019, 1.45%, which fundamentally is very critical. United States dollars to Axes cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting how a sheer vastness cost expectation on Friday, December 29. Cost $10.39, most certainly greatest 11.12, exceptionally least 9.66, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to a sheer vastness estimate on Monday, December 11. Cost 0.118 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.127, least 0.110. United States dollars to Axes forecast on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 0.115 coins, sort of greatest 0.123, extremely least 0.107, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to a sheer limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 0.120 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.130, really least 0.113, by and large further appearance, how in multi-week a sheer endlessness estimate on Monday, December 18. Cost $9.24, genuinely most extreme 9.89, kind of least 8.59, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 0.112 coins, really most extreme 0.121, in every practical sense, least 0.105 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to a sheer vastness figure on Friday, December 15. Cost 0.110 coins, truly greatest 0.118, genuinely least 0.102 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week United States dollars to Axes expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost 0.108 coins, kind of greatest 0.116, really least 0.101, exhibiting that today's exchanged cost range 7.5618 7.8824 in a sort of enormous manner. Dollar to a sheer endlessness figure on Tuesday, December 19.